Yo, what's up guys, this is a fatal shooting on 69th and Fig. This guy just got shot and killed. And Fig, this guy just got shot and killed.
Union and North 40517. That's over 31 right on 300. I'm not trying not to get a fig.
Oh, this is bro.
69th.
Just go take 69th paper south on traffic. March 30 somewhere south and March 1 tank 26 at the street. 30 and 110 rush.
69th and
It's been reported that leader of Rolling 60s Crip, Eugene Big U Henley's son, has been gunned down in Los Angeles. A shooting outside a business in the Vermont-Slauson neighborhood of South Los Angeles left a 34-year-old man dead, police said today. Officers from the LAPD's 77th Division responded to calls regarding a shooting at 11:11 p.m. Friday at a smoke shop in the 6900 block of South Figueroa Street and 69th Street, west of the Harbor 110 Freeway, an LAPD spokesman told City News Service. According to witnesses, the victim was approaching a vehicle when someone inside the car shot him, pokice said. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics pronounced the victim dead at the scene. There was no suspect description.
very well-known crip got killed tonight. He has one son that plays for the Chargers and one son that does not, and I don't know which son it was that got killed. I think it's the son who doesn't play for the Chargers.
Y'all want to sign too, Grimy? Look at these two dudes, Uiie and Nipsey Hussle. On the block.
What is that, yo? What you filming on? That's
I'm on Instagram. On Instagram.
Looking up. You said got it.
Ain't nothing. I love nothing though. Justice for them.
But your boy would have been there like, yeah, you got it.
You did. You did. So this is gonna probably be my last video. I'm gonna go turn myself in to see what's going on. They talking about I'm a fugitive. So they just raided all my houses. 600 was actually with the police when they raided my house. And he's actually got video and footage of it. So y'all know what y'all dealing with. And I just want to say this to y'all. When they raided my houses and my property, they was asking about whack, loose cannon, 600, and this internet stuff. All of y'all filed. All y'all who be sending shit around the internet, all y'all who be promoting and listening to what these niggas saying, all y'all giving these likes and hidden likes, all y'all supporting this. All y'all guilty of this fuck shit. If you had something against a black man, you should handle it with a black man in the streets. Wax said 100 times he was gonna take my contracts. He working with the FBI. The FBI went to the city 3 days in a row and told the city they didn't want nobody to give me no more money. They went to all the different celebrities and told all the different celebrities, don't give me no money, don't help me, don't do nothing for me. They going around scaring and intimidating everybody. But y'all sitting it around getting people in trouble. Like y'all don't understand what the FBI do to black men who try to help their community. I ain't been nothing but a help to our community. But I guess it is what it is. This the price of being black and trying to help somebody, trying to help your community and do what you can. You just guilty because somebody else don't like you and then go on the internet and do what the fuck they want to and y'all gonna promote it. It's crazy. But I'm going to go turn myself in though. Cause I ain't did nothing. The fact is, man, they done went to my house, kicked my houses in, bust my doors down, bust my windows. They calling my son at his football practice, threatening him. You know what I mean? These dudes tagging him. What kind of shit is this? But y'all gonna be rolling with these dudes. And I got this last thing to say. Wax said he was gonna destroy developing option, right? So who gonna replace developing option? Which one of you fuck niggas in the 60s gonna call yourself coming in? Cause whoever try to come in, y'all the ones that's working with Wax. Believe that. So remove me to get me out the way for somebody else to come in who gonna cooperate. That's what the play is. That's what the whole play is. I'm out. I'm gonna send y'all videos to put up all of it until they lock me up.
Free pops for sure. Don't stay down, hold it down. Don't keep pushing this thing. And it's gonna always be our love. Always. We only got one enemy, and that's a shared team. So, keep pushing, keep putting this music out. Ain't going nowhere. Y'all gotta get the facts before y'all just get the money in your mouths. But like you said, Allah's the best of all partners, so.
If you crave nature but still shop online, Night and Day Herbals is your dream come true. Discover premium herbal soaps, shampoos, and CBD products. All organic, all for you. Shop now at nightandayherbals.com.